Hi everybody, welcome to Eat Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Reggae sensation Romain Virgo charts. His fourth studio album, The Gentleman, currently sits at number 3 on the US Reggae iTunes chart. The album, released on March 1, made an impressive chart premiere in the United States. The single, Been There Before with Massacre, has also amassed over 1 million views on YouTube Music for all genres. The newly appointed Johnny Walker ambassador recently took to 3 parishes for a local album tour. Speaking to Eat Prime, Virgo lauded Jamaicans for the overwhelming support.
Everybody was saying the show was great, but just to see how people supported the album itself, people were buying physical copies of the album, they were buying merch, they were buying their t-shirts and things. So they were supporting from all angles.
He is scheduled to head out on his European tour. Good job, Romain. Now, Wizkid says he is not an Afrobeats artist. The Nigerian crossover Afrobeats artist, who is known for hits like Joro and Essence, took to his official Instagram account over the weekend, sending fans in shock when he challenged them to embrace the evolution of his music on the heels of his 6th studio album, Mareo. Proclaiming to not being an Afrobeats artist, Wizkid stated that, quote, "I am not an Afrobeats artist. Don't call me that. I beg, please. If you don't like Wizkid, don't download this new album." He went on with the rant saying, in fact, delete me from your musical playlist and your life. And if you like Afrobeats, do not download my album. Ouch. For many of his global fans, Afrobeats has been synonymous with his name, evident through his involvement on Drake's One Dance, which topped international charts, being the first Nigerian song to chart on the Billboard Hot 100. His hit single, Essence, from the album Made in Lagos, also made global history. He also took home a Grammy Award for his work on Beyoncé's Brown Skin Girl. What's wrong, Wiz? Now, Bruno Mars caught in casino scandal. Over the weekend, social media was left in shock when it was reported that Bruno Mars was allegedly caught up in a US $50 million gambling debt. Now, despite taking in US $90 million annually as part of his deal with the casino, the reports also stated that Mars is barely covering the debt after taxes. Back in 2017, Mars assured in an interview that gambling was his way out. The finesse singer has extended his residency for the 9th year with 12 shows scheduled for 2024. Now, Fantasia takes Best Actress at NAACP Awards. Fantasia Barrina was awarded the Most Outstanding Actress in a Motion Picture at the 55th NAACP Image Awards ceremony in Los Angeles for her role in The Color Purple.
I don't even have a speech. Because I didn't think I was going to win.
Other awardees include Usher, who won Entertainer of the Year, and one of the highest honors of the evening, the President's Award. Taraji P. Henson for Supporting Actress in a Motion Picture in The Color Purple, and Issa Rae for Outstanding Actor Voiceover Performance Motion Picture, Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.